Now, today we are discussing about the trigonometric function. In the previous topic, we are discussing some part of the trigonometric function. After that, we have to discuss about the another part in that of the trigonometric function is the solving of a triangle. Suppose there should be a we call as the triangle because of that have the three sides means there should be a three parameters of this triangle. Now after that within the trigonometric functions then we at least if there should be a one of them is we have to known, then another should be a we have to calculate by the notations or the trigonometric function or the geometry or the any other function like that. Here we also finding or the solving the triangles problems. Within that triangles problem, first upon we have to discuss about the sine rule. While discussion of the sine rule, first upon we have to draw the triangle here. Within that triangle, suppose there should be ABC is the triangle here. Suppose the ABC is the vertex of the triangle and it also indicate the angles of the triangles. Angles of the triangles. Now, suppose there should be a in front of angle A, the small a is the side and means there the capital BC is equal to small a. In front of angle B, there should be a AC, capital AC is equal to small b and the C is equal to AB is equal to small c is here. Now draw the AD perpendicular on them. There should be a sine rule is represented by small a sine of A is equal to B upon sine of B is equal to C upon sine of C is equal to twice of R. Twice of R is the R is the radius of this total circle and twice of R is the diameter of the circle. Now within this we have to draw the AD. AD is perpendicular to the BC. AD is perpendicular to the BC. Then we have to calculate the AD. How can be AD is calculated? AD is calculated as B sine of C. B sine of C. B sine of C. After that, how can be calculated? We have to discuss in the previous topic also. Now, today we have to discuss about the area of a triangle. Sine rule. Within that, the sine rule, we have to discuss about the area of triangle. Triangle ABC. Now, we have to take on the D is not easier. This is my mistake. Now, the area of triangle BC. It is nothing but we know that the half of there should be a BC upon A. There should be a AD. Means that put the value of BC. BC is A here and there should be a AD is equal to AD is nothing but the BC sine of C is in from this equation. This star equation is here. Now, as considered as suppose there should be a triangle of A or the area of triangle ABC is nothing but the half time of AB sine of C. AB sine of we have to write the simple manners here. Now there should be a taken to this side, then the twice of area of triangle ABC is equal to AB sine of C. AB sine of C. Now similarly we have to calculate or we have to write the twice of a triangle area of twice of area of a triangle ABC is equal to in terms of angle B in terms of angle A also, means there should be a AC sine of B and a twice of area of triangle ABC is equal to BC sine of E. After that we know that there should be a these angles, means there should be a left hand sides of these three equation. First equation, second equation and third equations are same, then the right hand also same. Then it's become the there should be a we have to take on the first of angle A, means that the BC sine of A is equal to AC sine of B is equal to AB sine of C. After that we have to divide by the all these equations by ABC, small ABC. After that, we have to discuss about the there should be a BC sine of A divided by small abc, AC sine of B divided by ABC is equal to AB sine of C divided by ABC is here. After that, we have to take on the BC is get cancelled. Here is also there should be a remaining of B only. Here is also remaining of the C only. After that, there should be a, we have the equation sine of A upon small a is equal to sine of B upon small b is equal to sine of C upon small c is here. Now take the reciprocal of the all the side. This become the A upon sine of A is equal to B upon sine of B is equal to C upon sine of C. This is called as the equation number 1. For the ratio twice of R, we have to take on the value of R. We have to take on the value of what is the twice of R. Now we know that the rules of the triangle is the total angles of the triangle is nothing but the 180 degree. Now after that, suppose that there should be a angle E is not a right angle triangle. Angle is not a right angle triangle. Draw, there should be a, suppose there should be a, in this look this diagram, draw the AP. AP is the diameter of the circle. Now there should be a AP is equal to twice of R is here. AP is equal to twice of R is here. Now for the seeing, look at this diagram. Now for the this triangle, there should be a, from the triangle ACP. ACP is the right angle triangle here. ACP is the right angle triangle here. Now there should be a, means that from this diagram the measure of angle ABC is equal to the measure of angle APC. APC means this angle and this angle are the same. By this angle, there should be a sine of B is equal to, consider as if there these two angles are the same, then sine of B is equal to sine of P. Means there should be a B upon AP. B upon the AP. And there should be a B upon AP. AP is the value of twice of R is here. Means that the sine of B is equal to small b upon twice of R, and the B upon sine of B is equal to twice of R is equal to here. Put it into this equation number 1. Put it into this equation number 1. We got there should be a we have to discuss about there should be a sine of capital A is equal to B sine of capital B is equal to C sine of capital C is equal to twice of R is here. Twice of R is here. Now after that, we have to take on the some important forms of the sine of rule. Small a is equal to twice of R sine of capital A. Small b is equal to twice of R sine of B is equal, and the C is equal to twice of R sine of C is equal. After that, sine of capital A upon small of A is equal to sine of B upon B is equal to sine of C upon C is equal to K. After that, we have to, there should be a B sine of A is equal to A sine of B, C sine of B is equal to B sine of C, and C sine of capital A is equal to small a sine of C is here. Now the ratio of small a upon B is equal to sine of capital A upon sine of B, and there should be a B upon C is equal to sine of B upon sine of C is here. Now take it the question on the sine rule is here. After that, we have to discuss the sine of rule. Now take it the small problems on the sine of rule is a small problem on them. Now see here, suppose there should be a in triangle capital A B C. If there should be a there should be a angle A is the 30 degree is here, 30 degrees here, and the B is equal to the 60 degree is given is here, and the question is arises, find the ratios of the side. Find the ratio of sides. This is the example here. Now solution of this. If we have to take on the A is equal to 30 degree and the B is equal to 60 degrees here. After that, we know that the angles of the triangle A plus B plus C is the angles, three angles of the triangle. It nothing but the 180 degree. After that, we have to take on, after putting this value, we have to take on the C is equal to 90 degrees here. C is equal to 90 degree. And if there should be one of the angle is 90 degree, then by sine rule, there should be a upon sine of A is equal to small b upon sine of B is equal to C upon sine of C is the rule here. Now after that, put the values of angles in this equation. There should be a divided by sine of 30 degree, B divided by sine of 60 degree, and C divided by sine of 90 degrees here. Now there should be a small a is as it is. Sine 30 is equal to 1/2 and the B upon, there should be a sine of 60 is equal to under root of 3 divided by 2 and the small c upon, there should be a 1. Sine value of sine 90 is equal to 1. After that, we have to, the ratio of A is to B is to C is nothing but 1/2 is to root 3 by 2 is to 1. Means there should be a, after that there should be a, we have to discuss about the A is to B is to C is nothing but the 1 is to root of 3 is to 2. Means these ratios of sides of there should be a triangles are calculated. Means that suppose this ratio is asked here, another equation by which another equation or the another problem is useful for the solving the angles of the triangle also. Now after that, we have to discuss about the another rule. It is called as the cosine rule. Cosine rule. Suppose that while discussing the cosine rule, it is also useful for the calculations of the angles of the triangle. Now within the cosine rule, we have to discuss about there should be a relation between the sides of a triangle. Suppose we have to take on, suppose there should be a, this is the origin, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. The coordinates of the origin is 0, 0, and suppose there should be a AB is equal to small c, CB is equal to small a, and the AC is equal to small b is here. Means that the coordinates of the B is C0 and the coordinates of the point C is equal to B cos of A and the B sine of A is here. B sine of A is here. After that, first upon, we know that the cosine rules, three rules are arises here. First upon, small a square is equal to b square plus c square minus twice of bc cos of A, and the b square is equal to c square plus a square minus twice of ca cos of B is here, and the c square is equal to a square plus b square minus twice of ab cos of C is here. After that, first upon, take the first is here. A square is equal to b square plus c square minus twice of bc cos of A is here. After that, we have to consider the left hand sides of this equation. Left hand sides of this equation, only a square is equal. After that, a square is nothing but the bc. A is equal to, suppose there should be A is equal to bc, and after that there should be, suppose there should be a, we have to take on the a square, and a square is nothing but the bc square is here. After that, Suppose there should be a square is equal to bc square, and use the bc distance formula for the bc is equal to, there should be a c minus b cos of a bracket square plus 0 minus b sine of a bracket square is here. After simplifying these brackets, the c square plus b square cos square a minus twice of bc cos of a plus b square sine square a is here. After the squaring this bracket, we have to discuss, or we have to arrange this equation is here. Now rearranging this term. Now c square as it is, b square cos square a is as it is, and this is the b square sine square a taken to this side, and again this is written is here, twice of bc cos of a is here. Now see here, after common this b square, suppose there should be a c square plus b square is equal to, into bracket cos square a plus sine square a minus twice of bc cos of a is as it is, and the value of sine square a plus cos square a, or the cos square a plus sine square a is equal to 1. Put the value of this, remaining should be a c square plus b square minus twice of bc cos of a is here. Twice of bc cos of a is here. Now if there should be a, this is nothing but there should be a RHS of this equation, and hence prove that the LHS a square is equal to b square is taken to this side, b square plus c square minus twice of b c cos of e. Similarly, second equation is also b square is equal to c square plus a square minus twice of ca cos of b from this triangle. Now the c square is equal to a square plus b square minus twice of ab cos of c is here, and hence this cosine rule is proof here. Proof of the cosine rule is. Now consider the example on them. The first upon we have to take on the example of the cosine rule. Suppose we have to take on the example. Suppose we in triangle ABC, within that of the triangle ABC, if the A is equal to 60 degree and B is equal to 3 unit and C is equal to 8 unit, then find small a. The question is arises, find small a, and also circumradius of the triangle, means we have to find the r is equal to what, isn't it? By using the cosine rule, use the cosine rule, formula for the cosine rule. The question we have to discuss that we have to find the small a, and the r is here. R is the circumradius. Now we have to take on the cosine rule. Suppose the a square is equal to b square plus c square minus twice of bc cos of capital A is here. Now put all this value in this equation. A square we have to find. Then how it is that b is equal to 3 square plus c is equal to 8 square minus 2 as it is. Value of b is 3, value of c is 8, and the value of cos of capital A is equal to 60 degree is here. Now consider there should be a squaring this, square of 3 is 9 and the 64 minus multiplication of this is the 48, and the value of cos of 60 multiplied by 1/2 is here. Now after simplifying this equation, the 73 minus 24 is equal to the 49. Now what is the value of the a square is equal to 49, then the a is equal to 7 is here. By sine, again we have to know that the sine rule. By sine rule, there what is the sine rule? A upon the sine of a is equal to twice of r. We have to put only this here. After that, put this value. There should be, what is the value of a? The 7 upon sine of 60 is equal to 2r. And sine 60 is equal to the 7 upon sine 60 is equal to root 3 upon 2 is equal to twice of r is here. Now r is equal to the 7 upon root of 3 is here, nothing but the how can be written as, there should be a, we have to take on the 7 upon root of 3 divided by 3 like this also, means there should be a, this is useful for the sine and the cosine rule is here.